This 2017 Winnebago Navion 24J is a Class C RV. It is located in Winter Garden, Florida, 34787 and is offered for sale by Independence RV Sales. This used Winnebago is 25 feet 8 inches in length and features one slideout, a tan Marbella Cherry High Gloss interior, sleeps 5, TV antenna, self-contained, Colorado Detector, stove top burner, smoke detector, air conditioning, DVD player, leveling jacks, external shower, LP detector, and 32 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class C features bunk over cab, front dinette, front kitchen, front living area, rear bath, rear bedroom, rear entertainment, U-shaped dinette. This 2017 Winnebago Navion 24J is built on a Mercedes-Benz Sprinter 3500 chassis and is powered by a Mercedes-Benz engine. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Independence RV Sales, visit RVUSA.com.